Storm moving into Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. Probably hard to hear that boom for the thunder. Look at that noise. Is that direction? I would hope not. I'm hoping to get a bolt of lightning. We are supposed to get a good lightning show. Cross right there. Oh, let's see some lightning. Yeah, flash over there. Ooh, no, it was good to me out here. Me too. Yeah. But they haven't had it so long here. Rain. Something sounds like the roof to me. I don't know. No, it sounds like up there. Sure the shit's not rolling all over. Yeah, I seen it. The bolt was right over there in the mountains. Come on, I want to get a good bolt of lightning on here. I can hear it too. That's where I'm seeing all the bolt lightning across. We would have been just walking home here.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, that's the tornado siren, guys.
Sirens have been going all night long with people.
Oh, yeah.
Accidents, drunk people, fights.
Oh, back there it looked like somebody was getting towed on the thing. No, tomorrow night would be bad. Being Friday night. Come on, I want to go to Bolt of Lightning. Yeah.
Doesn't feel as warm as it did.
No.
Maybe it's gonna rain harder.
Come on, I want our Bolt of Lightning. Yeah, it's starting to come down a little heavier.
I don't feel like that. No, I don't think so. I think it's somebody's car.
I got it, but I didn't see it. 3:32 mark. Yeah, it's starting to get heavier now. Whoa! Whoa! I'll get it from the door. Yeah, we would have been getting soaked. Yeah. I'm the tallest one. I'd be getting zapped first. Oh yeah, it's really pouring now. Come on! A couple more bolts now. Alright. What the thing was showing was gonna hit. Okay. Yeah, we'll run out to the next one. I'm gonna charge my phone just in case the lights go out.